Nelson Mandela once said, "Courage is not the absence of fear. It's inspiring others to move beyond it." But long before Mandela, a man walked in the deserts of Arabia who lived this truth in its purest form. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Section 1. Mandela's struggle and Muhammad's struggle. Mandela endured 27 years behind prison walls. He was beaten, silenced, and chained. But the fire inside him never died. He dreamed of freedom, justice, and dignity for his people. Centuries earlier, Prophet Muhammad was mocked, persecuted, and forced to leave his beloved Mecca. Stones were thrown at him, insults hurled against him, yet his heart never turned bitter. Like Mandela, he stood unbroken, because true freedom begins inside the soul. Section 2. Forgiveness and Mercy. Mandela emerged from prison not with vengeance, but with forgiveness. He said, "Resentment is like drinking poison and then hoping it will kill your enemies." Prophet Muhammad, after years of persecution, returned to Mecca with an army. The people who once tried to kill him now stood trembling in fear. Yet he said, "Go, for you are free. No revenge, no hatred, only mercy." Two leaders, different times. One teaching the world that forgiveness heals a nation. The other teaching humanity that mercy heals the soul. Section 3. Leadership and Justice. Mandela's leadership was built on sacrifice, patience, and unity. He reminded us that courage is not about power, but about serving the powerless. Prophet Muhammad taught, "The best people are those who are most beneficial to others." He stood with the poor, the orphans, and the oppressed. He said, "Help your brother, whether he is an oppressor or the oppressed." When asked how to help the oppressor, he replied, "By stopping him from oppression." Mandela fought apartheid. Muhammad fought injustice in every form. Both showed the world that true leadership is not domination, it is service. Section 4. Legacy and Reflection. Mandela's life reminds us of resilience, that one man can shake the walls of oppression. Prophet Muhammad's life reminds us of divine mercy, that one man can lift the darkness from the hearts of humanity. Mandela left behind the vision of a free South Africa. Muhammad left behind the Quran and a way of life that guides billions to this day. Together, their legacies whisper a timeless truth. Stand firm in patience. Fight with justice. Lead with compassion. And when you hold power, choose forgiveness over revenge. Nelson Mandela and Prophet Muhammad lived in different worlds, but their hearts beat with the same rhythm of truth. One man inspired a nation, the other inspired the entire world. And the lesson for us is clear. Be brave when afraid. Be merciful when wronged. And be just when given power. Because a single soul, guided by truth, can change the destiny of millions.